Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody had some questions on the Symmetry tool. If you go to Object in Symmetry and create a symmetry, of course I have to get rid of this before this will work. And I'm going to hit P to put that line in the center of the page. And then I'm going to change the mirror line. And I'm just going to draw something real quick to get to his question. He's wanting to know how to change the line thickness. If you see, these are hairlines. And if we just keep drawing, actually, if you hold down the control button, maybe it'll be perfect. And just keep making this circle a little bit bigger. You could go actually right to that edge. That's what I like about this tool. You don't have to worry about rotation. If I want to go right to that edge, and now all these are finished. He wants to change the thickness to 10 points, but it doesn't do the whole thing. So that's kind of the clue. So what you have to do is go finish and then break the link apart. And now it's just an object. And now you can change to whatever point you want, make it whatever color you want. And, you know, just a couple of things you could do with this. I don't know if the 10 points would be, see, all the nodes are broken. You know what we could do? Let's do this. Let's ungroup it, and let's get rid of these other ones. And we'll fix that one, so maybe this will help somebody in the future. I didn't do a good job of getting that done, but if we look at the nodes, you actually have to select both of them and then get the nodes and then circle those nodes or select those nodes, go up to Windows, Dockers, and join curves, and then hit apply. And then those lines become connected. Well, that one's not going to probably connect because it's so far apart. But if you can see all the other lines are, well, that one's not. Maybe because it's got so many nodes. Let's try it. Well, it's connected. It's just a bad line. You know what? Let's do this. Let's do this. So you've done this and you've got a hairline. Let's look at that in a hairline. That should really join. Tell you what we're going to do. We're going to try this. We're going to select it all and go up to Object and Group and I was thinking, see, it's a group. Why won't it ungroup? I was thinking we could weld it. But regardless, and we're working in basically the center of the page. If we bring it indexing line, you know, that we were that far away. So what you could do with this, you could have done it the other, you know what, let's go back. Let's go back to it with Symmetry. Forget about the broken lines. So there we have it. And what you could do is still in the center of the page. I'm going beyond what he asked, and I'm sorry. And let's, you know what? Let's do this. Here's a little good lesson. Let's draw a square and make a duplicate of that square. And let's fill this in with that green. Fill this one in with the green. But then let's add, I'm holding down the shift tool and making it a little bit darker green. Go a little bit more. I'm hitting I'm going to take away the outline. And we have basically 4. So what I could do now is take these two and go to Effects and Blend. And we could blend them just 2 more times. And we're going to get something between those colors. It'd be neat if we could do more. So let's go with the Smart Fill tool. Let's get our eyedropper and fill in the center with the dart. Let's get the eyedropper and do the next one, and we'll do both sides. Now our lines are going away, but we can fix that. Or maybe you don't even want the line. See, we're getting different colors. And then we're going to put the lightest one on the outside. Now, if we wanted those lines, we could just hit lines and then make them 3 points or whatever you want. That's pretty cool. Let's take our blend away. And you know what? Let's just delete all these. So I'm going to hold down the Alt key with the segment delete key. I still got a little bitty piece right there. Whoop. That might be harder said than done, but I'm holding down the Alt key and it really helps a lot. Now to get rid of that little bit of a tip of a line, we might have to grab it with the pick tool. Still got a little bit of that line there, but that's fine. I don't think we could do anything about it. Well, it's just part of the line. Now take this and group it together, Control G, Control D, Alternate C, and I guess it was at a 45-degree angle. No, I don't remember how many there were. Let's see how far I could go. Let's go 60. And then Control D. You know, whenever you mess up the first time, just start over and go 120. And see, you're making the same thing with that item. But the symmetry's cool, really cool. It's hard to, you know, you could do this without, but, you know, when you do the symmetry tool, I'm going to Control C to copy that and then delete it. And let's go back to the symmetry tool. Because you could, if you have any artistic ability, the symmetry tool can really, really make some good stuff, because you could actually bring in clip art. So let's just draw something real quick. I love drawing with the 3-point curve line. Well, I'm not on that line. You want to be on that line or you're going to get two lines. And let's just put a little curve. Then let's go here and look at the possibilities. You know, how long would that take you to draw? I messed up. How long would this take you to draw in Corel without it? This same thing. And then you could go from here to here, and then maybe from here to here. I mean, look at that. Go from here to here. You know, and you could probably draw this without this, but you wouldn't. I call it in live time, what you're going to get. Let's go all the way now. I mean, look at that. You know, then you could add a circle, starting right there, hold down the Control and the Shift key, and it put a circle. Put a circle. That one's not in the center. I mean, look at that. Now go to Finish, break link apart. Then you can make it black. I didn't have it selected. You can make it black. You can make the lines thicker. You wouldn't probably want to make them too much thicker in this case. We are pretty big, but that's pretty cool. I mean, how long would it take you to draw that? And it didn't take me 30 seconds. Now, a lot of the lines aren't touching, but I could have done a little better job also. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea. And then here's that little trick. Paste that other one back in your, if you want to look at it. Anyway, I hope that helped that gentleman, and thank you for watching.